Why is the Mertz Library special at NY Botanical Garden? Imagine stepping into a place where the world's most detailed plant knowledge is stored, a quiet sanctuary for plant lovers and researchers alike. That's what makes the Mertz Library at the New York Botanical Garden truly unique. It is the largest botanical research library in the United States and one of the most extensive in the Western Hemisphere. Founded in 1899 and renamed in the 1990s after Louester Mertz, it holds hundreds of thousands of books, journals, and rare works. Its collection includes millions of plant specimens, making it a vital resource for anyone interested in plants and horticulture. What makes the library stand out is its focus. It is dedicated solely to botany, horticulture, and related fields. This means you can find everything from historical plant illustrations to modern scientific journals all in one place. The library supports many disciplines beyond botany, such as landscape design, environmental policy, ethnobotany, and even urban social history. This broad scope allows researchers to study plants from many different angles, whether they are scientists, artists, or students. The building itself is a piece of history. Designed in the Renaissance Revival style by architect Robert W. Gibson, it was completed in the year 1900. The structure is part of the New York Botanical Garden's National Historic Landmark designation. Visitors can admire features like the Fountain of Life and the Tulip Tree Alley, which add to the charm of the historic site. Inside, the library's special collections include seed exchange lists, photographic archives, and a vast file of clippings and ephemeral materials dating back to the 1920s. These collections provide unique primary sources for research and learning. The Mertz Library is open to the public and supports the garden's mission to promote plant knowledge and conservation. Its expert staff help visitors navigate the vast resources, whether they are scholars, students, or curious visitors. The library also works on digital projects to make its collections more accessible online. Being part of the New York Botanical Garden, a National Historic Landmark, and a major outdoor space in New York City, the Mertz Library adds a layer of cultural and scientific importance to the city's parks and outdoor spaces. It helps keep New York's reputation as a hub for botanical research and environmental education alive and thriving. Whether you're exploring the lush gardens or studying rare plant specimens, the Mertz Library offers a special glimpse into the world of plants that is hard to find anywhere else.